Location-based reminders will trigger an alert when we arrive at or leave a specific place. These are typically most effective when used with an iPhone, but they can be set up on any iPhone, iPad, or Mac in the Reminders app. I'm going to create a drop-off package reminder on the iPad. Then tap the Info button and activate the location toggle. In here, we have some preset options that can be used for the location. I have a home and work address set up for myself in the Contacts app, so that's where these two options are being pulled from. We also have options for getting in or out of a car. This will only work if your iPhone is being synced with your vehicle via Bluetooth. Currently, we have Home selected here as the location. From this menu, we can switch between the alert occurring when we arrive at that location or when we leave. Select the Custom Location option here, and we can enter an address or search for a location. For this example, I want to drop off a package at the nearest UPS store. Enter that in the search field, and several options appear in the list below. I'll select the one on Eagle Road and set the alert to be triggered when arriving. Tap and drag on this handle to control how far away from the location the alert will be triggered. If I'm going to be coming south on Eagle Road, I'll want to make sure to expand this enough that the alert will occur in time to make the turn into the shopping center. Now, when my iPhone enters the area we specified, the reminder will trigger an alert to appear on my iPhone. So, location-based reminders can be super useful in helping you to remember what errands you need to run and where.